Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Basically, I got another review for you guys. Okay, it's the salted Galaxy Caramel. Okay, let's go. Okay. So carrying on with my, salted caramel Twix review, I thought I'd do the Galaxy bar as well, because, some people have the sweet teeth, but I got the salty. I like the salty chocolate, not the sweet one. That makes my tummy rumble. I do not like when my tummy rumble. It reminds me of an earthquake, and I do not like earthquakes. I like chocolate caramel. Okay, anyway. So Galaxy thought it would be a good idea to copy Twix with the packaging and everything, this kind of aqua blue matching my hand color. I think they should give me a sponsorship with my gloves. But anyway, Galaxy thought they would copy Twix and copy the wrapping and everything. Add some salted caramel to the regular caramel. As you can see, there are the salty flakes. This is how the nutrition is. 525 calories if you eat this whole bar. I would not recommend eating the whole bar. And then we have the grams. Ooh, it's in date. I like that one. Here are all the nutritious information. As you can see, carbohydrate and protein is the most important one, but we like the salt. Let's go ahead and open this and see if it is living up to expectation. Nice branding. I like it when the companies put some effort on the branding. Ooh. Caramel. As you can see, we have some cheese pull here. I mean not cheese pull, caramel pull. So let's put this down. Let's try it. This is the chocolate. And zoom. It's got a G and a G like Gucci, like a double G. I like that one. Let's open this up. There is the inside. So this is how they look like. Very nice. We are going to take a bite and we see if it is tasty like the Twix. It is nice, but it is very sweet. No. This reminds me of, this film, Charlie and the Chocolate Factory. It reminds me of too much sweetness, not enough savory. I like my sweets with a bit of salt. This one is just pure sugar. I will not recommend this one. It almost tastes like the normal Galaxy. Not the salty caramel version. It just tastes like the normal, the Galaxy caramel. I can't taste any of the salt that they added. It should have a bit of bitterness, a bit of savory, but I do not get any of this. This one I don't think is really worth it. You can actually go and buy it, try it for yourself. I'm going to actually give this to my cousin Tunde. He has a sweet teeth. He also has yellow teeth, and they glow in the dark, so he does save money on his electricity bill. But anyway, guys, if you like the Galaxy review, then give a like. As you can see, I ran out of my normal gloves. I mean my hand color, because we're not allowed to go outside, so I don't get the tan, so my hands are gone all light color. That is not a good one. Anyway, as always, guys, if you like the review, I'm going to catch you on the next one. And as always, Bali.